Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome update problem. So let's start. First open your settings app. Now scroll down and tap on apps. You'll see all of your apps here. Now search for Chrome app and tap on that. Then tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache on bottom right corner. Now go back to apps. Tap on three dots on top right corner and tap on show system apps. Here you will search for Android System Web View and tap on that. Now tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache on bottom right corner and then clear data on bottom left corner. Now go back to apps again. Now search for Google Play Store app. Then tap on storage. Just like before, tap on clear cache on bottom right corner and then clear data on bottom left corner. Now close the settings app. Now open your Google Play Store and try updating your Chrome browser. And if it still doesn't work, then tap on three bars on top left corner. Now tap on My Apps and Games. And Play Store will check for updates. And under Updates Pending section, you will see your Chrome browser. Now tap on Update All and your Chrome browser app will update automatically. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.